Mosque gives Rabbi place to stay and pray after snowstorm. Yes, hello everyone, it's your girl Clary and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, mosque gives Rabbi place to stay and pray after snowstorm. Rabbi had his prayers answered when he was rescued from a snowway high after being stranded for hours. Rabbi Israel Elbaum was in Istanbul but headed to the airport to return home to Israel. When the heavy snow stopped him in his truck, he was going to have a stay a little longer, so a local mosque welcomed him with open arms. Anyway, that is it all. I've remained your girl Clara Curry, and thank you for keeping yourself on my YouTube channel. It's your first time to see this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe, hit on that notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload anything new on my YouTube channel. I love you all. Bye bye and ciao ciao.